Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am excited to see you here as we continue our journey through the software development lifecycle. In our previous video, we delved into the planning phase, exploring its crucial role in setting the stage for a successful project. Today we are shifting our focus to the next pivotal phase, at the analysis phase. This stage is where we dive deep into understanding the requirements and the needs of the project, ensuring that we have a clear and detailed roadmap before development begins. We will discuss the key activities involved in analysis phase, such as the gathering and documenting requirements, analyzing user needs, and creating a detailed specification for development team. This phase is essential for ensuring that the final product aligns with the user's expectations and business goals. So let's get into the details and explore how thorough analysis can drive the project success. Make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's dive in. The analysis phase is a crucial component of the software development lifecycle. It lays the groundwork for a successful software project by ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the system's requirement. This phase involves a meticulous process of gathering, analyzing, documenting, and validating requirements to ensure the final software product aligns with the stakeholder expectations. By conducting thorough analysis, development teams can identify potential issues early, set clear objectives, and provide a robust foundation for the design and development phases. This approach minimizes misunderstandings and errors, ultimately contributing to a more efficient and effective development process. Let us start with requirement elicitation. 1. Gathering diverse perspectives. Requirement elicitation involves gathering detailed information from various stakeholders, including users, customers, business owners, and technical teams. 2. Utilizing effective techniques. Various methods are employed to gather requirements such as interviews, surveys, workshops, and observations. Each technique offers unique advantages in understanding different aspects of the system. 3. Documenting initial requirements. Elicitation often results in a preliminary documentation of requirements, capturing the initial insights gathered from stakeholders. 4. Seeking clarity and completeness. The initial documentation is reviewed for a clarity, completeness, and consistency. How do you defining the scope during the requirement analysis? Understanding the big picture. Requirement analysis focuses on understanding the overall scope and context of the project. The collected requirements are analyzed to identify their relationships, dependencies, and potential conflicts, addressing ambiguities and inconsistencies. The analysis phase involves clarifying any ambiguities, resolving inconsistencies, and ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the system's functionalities. Prioritization and feasibility assessment. The analysis phase also prioritizes requirements based on the clarity, feasibility, considering resource constraints and project deadlines. Requirement documentation is a key component of the analysis phase. Software Requirement Specification (SRS) document. The SRS document serves as a formal and comprehensive document that outlines all the functional and non-functional requirements of the system. This document provides a clear and structured representation of the system's feature, performance criteria, security measures, and other essential aspects. Detailed description of requirements. The SRS includes detailed description of each requirement specifying its purpose, scope, and expected behavior. It also includes diagrams, tables, and other visual aids to enhance clarity and understanding. Reference for development teams. The SRS serves as a shared reference point for development teams, ensuring that everyone involved in the project has a common understanding of the system's requirement. Let us understand how do we validate the requirement. 1. Review and feedback. Requirement validation involves reviewing the documented requirements with stakeholders to ensure they accurately reflect their needs and expectations. 2. Formal approval process. In many cases, a formal approval process is involved where stakeholders sign off on their requirements to confirm their agreement and commitment. 3. Iteration and refinement. Validation may lead to further iterations and refinements of the requirements, incorporating feedback and addressing any identified discrepancies. How do we create different use cases? Let us quickly have a look on different use cases of an e-commerce site. Use case: search for a product. A user searches for a product by entering keywords or browsing categories. Add to cart. A user adds a desired product to their shopping cart. Checkout process. A user provides their shipping and payment information to complete the purchase. Account management. A user manages their account information including profile details, order histories, and save payment methods. I think from these use cases you are getting a feel how do you use our Amazon or Flipkart website. How do you build a data model? Entities. Entities represent the key objects in the system such as users, products, orders, and payments. Attributes. Attributes define the properties of each entity such as user ID, product name, order date, and payment method. Relationships. Relationships define how entities are connected. For example, a user can place multiple orders and an order can contain multiple products. Data integrity. The data model ensures data integrity and consistency across the system, preventing errors and inconsistencies in data storage and retrieval. How do you develop prototypes? User interface design. Prototypes provide a visual representation of the system's user interface, allowing stakeholders to understand how the system will look and function. Prototypes provide a visual representation of system's user interface, allowing stakeholders to understand how the system will look and function. Early feedback. Prototypes facilitate early feedback from stakeholders, allowing them to provide valuable input on the design and functionality of the system. Iterative development. Prototypes can be iteratively refined based on feedback, ensuring the system aligns with users' expectations and requirements. Improved communication. Prototypes provide a common language for communication between development teams and stakeholders, minimizing misunderstandings and ensuring everyone is aligned on the project's vision. The analysis phase is fundamental in ensuring that the final system meets stakeholder needs and performs as expected. By thoroughly eliciting, analyzing, documenting, validating requirements, creating use cases, building data models, and developing prototypes, team can create a clear and detailed blueprint for the design and development phase. This meticulous approach minimizes misunderstandings and errors, ultimately leading to a more successful, efficient software development process. Hope you have liked today's discussions. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, please do write us. Our WhatsApp number and email ID already mentioned in the description box. Please do subscribe our channel and share the content with your friends and family. Thanks for watching us. We will come up with our latest video shortly. Till then, goodbye, thank you and stay tuned.